Hi. Welcome back to PageFly video tutorial series. In today's video, I will guide you how to change the settings of one page in PageFly. So now I'm in the PageFly page editor. Go ahead to the top right corner and open the page settings. The first thing you will see in page settings is page details. Here you can see the URL of the page. Remember that you only can change the URL of the regular page or blog post page. The URL of the home page and password page are fixed. And if you want to change the URL of a product page or collection page, you need to do this in Shopify admin. Switch to page type here. With this tab, you can change the page from this type to another type. For example, this page is a regular page. If I want to make it a home page, I will choose the home page like this. After I click the Save button here, this page becomes a home page. If you are in a product page or collection page, the Page Type tab is also where you choose products or collections to assign to the page. Click the Edit Products button and I will change the assigned product of this page. If you are editing a blog post page, you can customize the detail of the blog post. Choose the category of the blog post here. These options allow you to show info, tags or the feature image of the blog post that you set in the blog posts area in Shopify admin. For example, I enable post info. Click Save. Go ahead and publish the page. And on the live view, you can see this section is showing info of blog post that I don't add in PageFly page editor. Back to the page settings. If you want to enable comment form, enable this option. And remember that you also have to enable comment in Shopify admin. Now head over the page layout. In this tab, you can show or hide the header and footer of a page. If you are editing a product page or collection page, you can show or hide the default placeholder. If you are editing a password page, the header and footer are hidden by default. You can see Storefront Password tab. And here you can enable or disable the storefront password on your store. Finally, we have page optimization. Here you can enable the lazy load feature on a page. This is the end of the video tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification to get more videos. If you need any assistance, reach out to us via 24/7 in-app live chat or leave us any questions in the comments section below. Join PageFly ecosystem and proactively get updated support, tips to boost conversion rate. Thank you for watching. See you next time.